very effective for your stomach. And the skip. Don't forget to switch legs. A skip. And you could do the front. You can do the front and back. Front, back, front, back. Or you could do back and front, but you need to reverse. But you gotta be quick with it. Or natural, just plain and jumping. You can increase the speed. Ow. You can increase the speed, or you can jump higher. Speed. I can't do the speed, but I can do the jump higher. Alright. Speed. Anyway, you get the idea.